So you can see that it's not wise to be buying meat when you're on a journey, when you don't know how the meat is prepared. And they are eating pork. Maybe they just prepare it with heat from the sun. After garnishing it with pepper and something, look reddish, it is well cooked. If the pork is having infection, is carrying bladderworm unknowingly to you, the person has acquired a serious infection of tapeworm. And tapeworm is well adapted to the environment where it grows. And that is, it's well adapted to its host. It stays inside the alimentary canal system. So, because it's inside the alimentary canal, it's an endoparasite. Is what? An endoparasite. Now, as an endoparasite, it's well adapted to life inside the intestine.